Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Pixel 6 Pro is updated and the camera app has permissions. Once done, physically clean the lens and remove obstructions so autofocus works reliably. Now open the camera app and switch file format if you prefer HEIF for smaller files or JPEG for compatibility. Make sure location and storage permissions are allowed so photos save properly. After that, tap the main viewfinder and get familiar with the shutter, mode strip, and quick settings at the top. You should now move through the core modes: Photo, Night Sight, Portrait, and Pro. Once you're in photo mode, tap the subject to lock focus and slide your finger to increase or decrease exposure. That controls brightness precisely. For dim scenes, Night Sight activates. You can force it and hold steady for the multi-second capture. Portrait gives simulated depth. Position the subject at recommended distance. If you want granular control, open Pro to set ISO, shutter speed, and white balance manually for You finish by reviewing shots and using Google Photos to crop, tune exposure, and apply selective edits. Enable RAW if you plan deeper adjustments. Once edited, back up to the cloud and export originals when you need the highest quality. If images look odd, restart the camera app, clear the app cache, and confirm permissions. Make sure nothing physically blocks the lens and test with the front camera to isolate hardware issues. If problems persist, consider a system restart or contact support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.